Hi, I'm Rachel from Ecotech Windows and Doors. Today we're here on site in Hamilton. We're installing a whole house of beautiful windows and doors. Come on in and we'll show you what we're doing. Today's installation, we're doing brick-to-brick style installation, which means first step is we remove the casings, we take the old window out carefully as to not damage the walls surrounding the window. We clean up the opening, we insert the new window, we go around the new window from the outside and from the inside with expansion spray foam so that it's airtight and watertight. Once that's completed, we put new casings on the interior, and on the exterior, we finish it off with a beautiful bead of caulking. So behind me here, we've got some beautiful casement windows. This side is going to crank open all the way to a 90-degree angle. These two right here are fixed picture windows. We've got the curved piece on the top. It looks so beautiful. Underneath here, we have, not finished yet, but we have a double slider window, which means that either side can open depending on where you prefer the airflow, and you have a nice mesh screen that goes all the way across so the bugs don't get in. Here, as you can see, we've got the old windows stacked up. Yes, we do take these away once we're finished, but you can see a huge difference in between the old ones and what we've just installed. Major style upgrade, first of all, but energy efficiency, ease of opening and closing, everything. It's gonna be an absolute night and day improvement for these homeowners. As you can see, when we show up, we put drop cloths down to protect your floors and furniture. If you're looking to get your windows replaced and make an energy efficient and beautiful upgrade to your home, give us a call today or visit us at ecotechwindows.ca.